Looking for the fuse box diagram and location for the 2024 Audi A6? Would you like to know where to find the user guide that details the specific fuses and their functions? Are you interested in understanding how to access the fuse box for maintenance or troubleshooting? Driver's side footwell. The driver's side footwell typically includes the fuse panel, providing access to various electrical fuses. It often features a storage compartment for small items like documents or tools. Additionally, there may be ambient lighting for improved visibility at night. Front passenger's side footwell. The front passenger's side footwell usually includes a storage compartment for personal items and small bags. It may also house a fuse panel for electrical access. Additionally, there is often ambient lighting to enhance visibility during nighttime driving. Luggage compartment, left side of cockpit. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment on the left side of the cockpit offers convenient storage for personal items and enhances cargo capacity. It includes hooks or tie-down points for securing items during transit. The luggage compartment fuse box provides easy access to fuses, protecting electrical components and featuring labeled diagrams for quick identification.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.